Or there's going to be what? Okay. Okay. Now that table, I've spoke to you guys about the Federal Reserve and the fact that they set the interest rates in the country and sometimes the banks ignore them. One of the things that banks do not ignore is if the Federal Reserve puts the interest rates up, the banks will quickly follow suit, funnily enough, because that means they can actually charge more interest. So this table and these calculations can actually be used to calculate the difference in repayments if there is an interest rate rise. And to be honest, you'll find that that is very, very important. If you've got a variable interest rate home loan and the interest rates go up by 1%, it can change your repayments drastically. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at this one where the Radley family have borrowed 360 grand, 8% per annum over 20 years. Okay? Now they are paying $3,009.60 per month. Is that what they need to pay? No. Well, we don't know. Let's work it out. Yes. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to work out how much is their monthly repayment for a $360,000 loan at 8%. No. If the interest rate rises to 9%. That's what we're going to look at in a second. So let's go to the 8% 20-year term. So that's on that page. 8%. That's not the one I wanted. It's that one. 8%. And how many years was it? 20 years. So that's $8.36. So they should be paying $8.36 per thousand. Happy with that? And how much did they borrow? They borrowed $360,000. So they should be paying 360 times 8.36. They should be paying $3,009.60. Is that what they're paying? Yes. So they're paying exactly what their monthly repayment is. We had to check because they might have been paying more. We don't know. But they're paying that much. Okay? Now, that was only a double check. We didn't really need to find it out, but I wanted to know whether they were paying more. Because a lot of people pay a bit more than their minimum monthly repayment so that you can pay it off quicker. All right, now, what we're going to do is we're now going to go to the 9% one. So on the same thing, we're going to go to 9%. So there you go. The 9% is just the next one up. So that's $9 per month. Everyone happy with that? 9%. So we've got 9 per 1,000, and they've done 360,000. So we'll do that. So their minimum monthly or their monthly repayment will be 9 times 360, which gives us 3,240. Everyone happy with that? Excellent. Now, that's how much they have to pay. The question's actually asking, if it's greater than 3,009, which it is, what do they have to pay? Extra. So what did you do? Yeah, okay, so they've now got to pay 3,240. How much were they paying? Okay, so we've got the 3,000 and, we've got the 3,240, I'll type it in so you can see it, 3,240 minus the $3,009.60 equals. So that's how much extra they've got to pay. That all make sense? Okay. The interest rate went up, so obviously their interest is their monthly repayment's gone up. This is how much extra they've got to pay per month. $230.40. Oh, I closed it again. There you go. Now don't forget written question, written answer. So you'll probably have to write something along the lines of their repayments have gone up by $230.40 per month. Everyone happy? Excellent. So happy.